Dear children, very good morning to all. I hope that you are safe in your home. Now we will discuss about the following topics: ascending and descending order. Form the smallest and greatest number. First of all, we will see ascending and descending order. Who is she? Tina. Who is he? Amalan. Tina climbs up. Tina climbs up. She is ascending. She counts 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. These numbers are in ascending order. These numbers are in ascending order. Say Amalan slides down. He is descending. He counts 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. These numbers are in descending order. Now we will see the exercise one by one. Write the following. Write the following numbers in ascending order. Write the following numbers in ascending order. Going up is ascending order. See that line? Going up is ascending order. See this number: 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. These are ascending order. Say, what are these? These are dolls. What are these? These are dolls. Say, comparing these, this is here big. Comparing these, this big. Comparing these, this big. Comparing these, this big. Say, small to big. These are ascending order. Small to big. These are ascending order. For example, 6,200, 6,425, 6,596, 8,326, 9,728. First you count the digits. First you count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. First you count the digits. All the numbers are 4 digits. All the numbers are 4 digits. The digits are equal. You compare thousands. You compare thousand. First write the places: ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. See the thousand place: 6,000, 6,000, 8,000, 9,000. Among these number, which is the smallest number? 6,000. Here also 6,000. Here also 6,000. Say if thousands are same, see the hundreds place. See the hundreds place. Here 400. Here 500. Which is the smallest number? 400. So write this number. Ascending order. 6,425. 6,425. Next write this number. 6,596. Next write. Here see 8,000. Here 9,000. Which is smallest number? 8,000. 8,326. Next you write 9,728. Another example: 9,427, 9,337, 9,728, 9,835. First you count the digits. First you count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. First you count the digits. All the numbers are 4 digits. All the numbers are 4 digits. Digits are same. If digits are equal, see the thousands place. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Here 9,000, 9,000. Here also 9,000. Here also 9,000. If thousands are same, if you compare hundreds place, here 400, here 300, here 700, here 800. Among these number, which is the smallest number? 400, 300, 700, 800, 300. So write this number. Ascending order. 9337. Next you write 400, 700, 800. Which is smallest number? 400. 9427. Next you see this number. 800, here 700. Which is smallest number? 700. Say 9728. Next 9835. 35. These are ascending order. Let us see descending order. See that line coming down is descending order. See this number 900, 800, 700, 600, 500, 400. 400. These are descending order. Say what are these? These are dolls. See this doll. Comparing these, this is small. Comparing these, this small. Comparing this, this small. Comparing this, this small. Say these are descending order. Big to small. Big to small. Write the following. For example, write the following. Write the following numbers in descending order. Descending order. For example, 7,489, 8,349, 9,566, 5,258. First you count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Say all the numbers have 4 digits. The digits are equal. See the thousands place. Ones. First write the places. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. You see the thousands place. 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 5,000. Say among these number, which is the biggest number? 9,000. Say descending order. 9,566. Say see this number. 7,000, 8,000, 5,000. Say which is the biggest number? 8,000. 8,349. Next one. 7,429. Next one. 5,258. Another one example. 8,426. 8,248. 8,339. 8,527. First you count the digits. Here also 4 digit, here also 4 digit, here also 4 digit, here also 4 digit. Say all the numbers are 4 digit. If the digits are equal, see there thousands place. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. 8,000, 8,000, 8,000, 8,000. Say if thousands are same, you compare hundreds. Compare hundreds. 400, 200, 300, 500. See this number 400, 200, 300, 500. Which is the biggest number? 500. 8,527. Descending order. 8,527. Next you see this number 400, 200, 300. This is the biggest number. 300. 8,339. Next one see 400, 200. Which is the biggest number? 400. 8,426. 8,426. 26. Next one see 8248. These are descending order. Descending means big to small. Let us see, form the smallest and the greatest number. Form the smallest and the greatest number. Greatest number. Form the smallest and the greatest number. See one by one. Form the one. Form the smallest 3-digit number. 3-digit number by using the given digit. Using the given digits. Form the smallest 3-digit number by using the given digit. For example, 6, 2, 3. 6, 2, 3. Say among this number, which is the smallest number? 2, 3, 6. 2, 3, 6. The smallest 3-digit number equal to smallest 3-digit number equal to, see the number which is smallest number? 2, 3, 6. Say this is a smallest 3-digit number. Ones, tens, 100. 236. 236. Say another one example. 1, 0, 4, 7, 4. Say among these number, which is the smallest number? 0, 1, 4, 7. Say, is this a smallest 4-digit number? No. This is not a smallest 4-digit number. Say 0 at the beginning of number has no value. You put the 0 at there. You put 0 at the second place from left. The smallest 4-digit number. Smallest 4-digit number. Smallest 4-digit number equal to. Say how to write this number? First, this is the smallest number. 1, 0, 4, 7. Say 1000. The smallest 4-digit number equal to 1047. 1047. Form the greatest number. Form the greatest 3-digit number. Form the greatest 3-digit number by using the given digits. Form the greater 3-digit number. Form the greater 3-digit number by using the given digit. For example, 7, 2, 9. See this number, which is the biggest number? The greatest number, greatest 4-digit, greater 3-digit number equal to, see this number, which is the biggest number? 9, 7, 2. The greater 3-digit number is, say, 972. Say another example, 5092. Say, see this number. This is a 4-digit number. The greatest 4-digit number. Equal to, see this number, which is the biggest number? 9, 5, 2, 0. The greatest 4-digit number equal to 9520. Dear children, today homework ascending order. descending order, and form the smallest and the greatest 4-digit number using the given digit. So take your notebook, write this exercise in your notebook. We will practice in your house. Thank you, children.